Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Dairy Queen's always popular buy one get one 99-cents Blizzard deal is back. The chain's buy one get one 99-cents has returned, and there's plenty of time to take advantage, as it's available on the DQ app until November 15, 2020.16 October 2020.
Take our lead.
Blizzard treats. Girl Scout Thin Mints Blizzard treat. Brownie Batter Blizzard treat. Drumstick with Peanuts Blizzard treat. Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzard treat. Raspberry Fudge Bliss Blizzard treat. Cotton Candy Blizzard treat.
Let's help you make your mark.
Right now, when you download the free DQ app, you'll score a coupon for a free small Blizzard treat at participating locations. It will show up in your Coupons section. Keep in mind that you'll only have 15 minutes to use the coupon after you click Redeem. So wait until ordering before activating. 5 September 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.